Hi, my name is Omkar Mitragotri and I have around 8 years of experience as a business analyst, and throughout my career I have worked in this area of business analysis into different corporate industries, IT and banking industries. I really enjoyed speaking to a young and energetic crowd. I really liked it to go back into my college days and interact with them. So it was very nice. Students were very eagerly and curiously listening to all the new concepts into IT world. I just managed to keep the technical stuff aside and explain them with the proper day-to-day examples like Uber, Ola, Amazon, etc. So it was very nice. I enjoyed very much. So there was a role play which I arranged. I have divided the divided the class into the groups, and students came up with very innovative ideas. They came up with the new functionalities which should be built in the existing applications which they are using in day-to-day life, and it was very nice. So coming to Amity University Mumbai was a very nice experience for me. I enjoyed having interaction with the students, and the message to the student would be open, don't keep yourself stuck to the narrow-minded way of thinking. Be open up, ask more questions and try to upgrade your skills so that you will be fit in the corporate world. If you have some other plans, you can work it accordingly. All the best.